1 bronze, 2 bronze, 3 bronze, 4 bronze, 5 bronze, and then finally a gold. And now I can finally see that big smile on Harshad and Kainaz's faces here. So that's Team Ogilvy, and they won a gold today for Mondelez. Congrats, guys. Now tell me, you managed to erase Valentine's Day. You managed to destroy Valentine's Day. What's happening next?
Okay, first I'll just take 1 minute to say that this is for Sukesh and Karan, who couldn't be here, who are a big part of the team. So I'll start by saying that. And then I think what's next for Valentine's Day was exactly what I was sitting in the theatre and asking Rizvi, what are we going to do next? So he's a better person to answer that, but I'm pretty sure that given the team and what they've been doing, it will be something kick-ass.
Super. Now you have won gold, I think, consecutively. What really happens, and how do you? How is this gold special for you?
Every gold is special. It takes a lot. Like they said inside, it's like the top 1%. It's super special, but I think it would have been more special if Karan and Sukesh were here. But it is still very special because Shikha, who actually worked on the project, is here. And she's rightfully holding the gold. And there's Rizvi, who's the client, who's going to be doing the next great idea. He's here.
There's another thing. I think year after year, you guys have won for Mondelez. Is that a different kind of pressure to keep up the momentum on Mondelez?
That is, it's actually, I wouldn't call it a pressure, because when you look at Ogilvy's association and the depth of the relationship with Mondelez, it happened in the late 1940s. From then on, with Bonvita, Cadbury India and Ogilvy India have been together. So with that degree of depth, I think there is a certain amount of understanding. There is also a certain amount of responsibility. And the best thing is, not just because the client is here, but in the truest measures, I think relationships like Cadbury with Ogilvy tell us what co-creation is. There is no, ये हमारा idea आपके पास आया, आपने approve किया. It's everybody's idea and everybody's baby, right up to the end, right up to the stage, right up to the market, everything.
And how do you guys feel about winning this year and going up on that stage?
No, it's fabulous. I think this is the first time for both of us here at Cannes and going on stage for a brand so special to India. I think the feeling was surreal. We are very, very excited.
Also into the camera.
Yes.
I know he's a little heavy.
No, the feeling was surreal. We are very excited that we are here and we are very, very happy. Congrats to everyone in India at Ogilvy. We are super happy to be receiving this award.
Well, thank you so much, guys. Anything else you would like to say? No.
Once again, guys, everybody watching this back at home, Sukesh, Karan, Binu, Rajneesh, Krishna, Russell, this one is yours. This one is yours.
Thank you so much, guys.